This is the lecture of switch gear and protection. In this lecture, we will study the earth leakage protection. Earth leakage protection. Here you can see that this is the supply. This is one coil. CT is available, iron core, okay, and it which is connected with load. Now this protection is mainly provide the protection against the earth leakage. Now what is meaning of earth leakage? You know that in normal condition or in household, we are connecting different electrical equipments with main supply. We are connecting electrical equipments with supply. You know that when the supply is on, then ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ ફ્રેમ ડઝ નોટ કન્ટેન એની કરંટ, એટલે કે તમે જ્યારે ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ કોઈ પણ હશે એને સપ્લાય સાથે કનેક્ટ કરી અને સ્વિચ ઓન કરશો ત્યારે એ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટની જે બહારની ફ્રેમ હશે આઉટર લેયર, ઓકે, જેને આપણે ટચ કરી શકીએ ત્યાં નોર્મલ કન્ડિશનમાં કરંટ ફ્લો થતો ન હોય. એટલે કે આપણે જો એને ટચ કરીએ ફ્રેમને તો આપણને શોક લાગતો નથી. વાય? બિકોઝ ધ ઇન્સ્યુલેશન ઇઝ પ્રોવાઇડેડ બિટવીન ધ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ સર્કિટ એન્ડ ધ ફ્રેમ. ઇન્સ્યુલેશન હોય એ પ્રોવાઈડ કરેલું હોય ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ સર્કિટ હોય છે ઇક્વિપમેન્ટની અંદર એની અને ફ્રેમ વચ્ચે, ઓકે. બટ ડ્યુ ટુ એની રીઝન ઇફ ધેટ ઇન્સ્યુલેશન ઇઝ ફેલ બિટવીન ધ વાયરિંગ એન્ડ ફ્રેમ, ધેન ધ ફ્રેમ કન્ટેન્સ સમ કરંટ. એટલે કે જ્યારે ઇન્સ્યુલેશન ફેલ થઈ જાય ત્યારે પછી ફ્રેમમાંથી કરંટ ફ્લો થવાનો સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જાય, ઓકે. સો વી કેન ફીલ અ ઝર્ક આપણને લાગે, બરાબર. So that is known as earth leakage. Now it cannot provide the protection against the overcurrent relay. એટલે કે overcurrent relay થી આપણે એને પ્રોટેક્શન પ્રોવાઈડ ન કરી શકીએ. Why? Because that earth leakage current will have a very small amount of magnitude. એટલે કે એ જે કરંટ હશે એનો મેગ્નિટ્યુડ બહુ ઓછું હશે, એટલે કે ઓવરકરંટ એને ડિટેક્ટ કરી શકશે નહીં. So we have to provide another strategy which is known as earth leakage protection, okay. So this protection strategy is mainly provide the protection against the leakage current. Here you can see that this is the supply, this is the iron core, this is the load. થોડીક વાર આ ફોલ્ટ ભૂલી જાઓ, okay. So here you can see that AC supply is flowing, then it is wound on iron core. આ જે એસી સપ્લાયનો વાયર હશે એ અહીંયા હાફ એન્ડ નંબર્સ દેખાય એટલું આયરન કોર ઉપર વાઉન્ડ કર્યો છે. પછી અહીંયા રિટર્ન, આ છે આપણો લોડ. થોડીક વાર આ ફોલ્ટને નિગ્લેક્ટ કરજો, બરાબર. એટલે નોર્મલ કન્ડિશનમાં લોડ છે ત્યાંથી રિટર્ન થયો, ઓકે. આ જે ન્યુટ્રલ રિટર્ન છે આ એન છે અને ન્યુટ્રલ કીધો છે એ પાછો કોઇલ ઉપર વાઉન્ડ કર્યો છે, ધેન કનેક્ટેડ ટુ ન્યુટ્રલ. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ single phase system. One phase and one neutral is available, okay. This is the phase, P represent the phase. It will wound on iron core, but half of the iron core, and it has number of turns n, then connected to load. Return, again this neutral return is connected or wound on half of the iron core which has number of turns n, and return to neutral, okay. Now you have to notice that the number of turns wound on iron core by phase and number of turns wound on iron core by the neutral must have same. So both is represented by n. This is the n number of turns, this is the n number of turns, this is the turns wound by phase wire, this is the number of turns wound by neutral wire, okay. Now second overcurrent relay is connected and it has also number of turns which is wound on iron core, okay. Let's say this is the x number of turns are wound on iron core and this coil is connected with overcurrent relay. You have to neglect fault this for starting condition or for healthy condition. Now you know that in if fault is not available, then in healthy condition the IP is I0, okay. So I0 phase current હશે અહીંયાથી flow થશે, it will produce the flux in iron core. Why? Because it is wound on iron core, that's why it has strategy to develop the flux in iron core. So I0 current will produce the flux in iron core, again return. Now fault is not available, then only one path is available, I0, IN. Again IN will flow from this number of turns, it will also again produce the flux and return to neutral. Now in normal condition if fault is not available, then you can see that I0 must be equal to IN. એટલે નોર્મલ કન્ડિશનમાં I0 અને IN બે સેમ હશે. ઓકે, નંબર ઓફ ટર્ન્સ બે સેમ છે એટલે ફ્લક્સ પ્રોડ્યુસ બાય I0 ઇઝ સેમ એઝ ફ્લક્સ પ્રોડ્યુસ બાય IN. Okay, flux produced by I0 must be same as flux produced by IN. Why? Because I0 and IN both are same and number of turns are also same. Now the winding wound on iron core is just like that. The flux produced by this coil must be cancelled with flux produced by this coil. એવી રીતના વાઉન્ડ કરેલું હોય આ કોઇલને કે આના કારણે જે ફ્લક્સ પ્રોડ્યુસ થશે એ આના કારણે જે ફ્લક્સ પ્રોડ્યુસ થશે એને ઓપોઝ કરશે અને નિગ્લેક્ટ કરી નાખશે. ઓકે, સો ઇન નોર્મલ કન્ડિશન ફ્લક્સ પ્રોડ્યુસ બાય બોથ કોઇલ ઇઝ સેમ એન્ડ ઓપોઝિટ, સો ધેટ્સ વાય નેટ ફ્લક્સ ઇન કોર ઇઝ 0. ઓકે, સો ધ ફ્લક્સ taken by this coil must be 0. So overcurrent relay will not detect any fault or not produce any current. So that's why there is 0 current and no fault occurs in earth leakage protection. Okay, now we will take the faulty condition. Let's say fault occur here. Okay, we are taking the fault as a earth leakage. It means that the insulation available between the frame and the wiring is failure due to any reason, and that's why now your frame carry the current. You know that if the frame carry the current, then some amount of current will go towards the earth. This is represent like this. Okay, so you know that this is the I0 phase current. Now phase current will divided into two current. Some of current will go towards the neutral, some of current will go towards the earth. This is known as IF, fault current. Okay, so in faulty condition, in normal condition I0 must be equal to IN, but in faulty condition what is the equation? I0 equal to IN plus IF. Okay, I0 equal to IN plus IF for faulty condition. In normal condition I0 equal to IN, but in faulty condition I0 equal to IN plus IF. Now from this equation you can see that now I0 will become greater than IN. એટલે I0 હશે એ IN કરતાં વધારે હશે. Why? Because I0 equal to IN plus IF. So I0 is greater than IN. Okay, so now flux produced by I0 is greater than flux produced by IN. Okay, so now net flux in core will not become 0. So due to non-zero flux, the current will induce in this coil. This coil is connected with overcurrent relay, and the relay will detect the current and said as it is the earth leakage protection fault occurs. Okay, so this type of protection is provided by earth leakage protection. Okay, this is the notes as I said you. P1, this is the section P1. P1 is carry the current I0 or phase current is as number of turns n and produce the flux phi 0. Okay, again section P2. P2 is here. Okay, P2 carry the current neutral current IN. Okay, it has same number of turns as phase and produce the flux phi n. Now in normal condition I0 equal to IN, so phi 0 equal to phi n. Okay, same as I said you. Okay, and net flux is 0. In faulty condition I0 equal to IN plus IM, that's why phi 0 will become greater than phi n and the net current, net flux will not become 0 and this will detect the fault. Okay, this is the earth leakage protection of three-phase load. Okay, condition is same, but here load is taken as three-phase. Okay, here you can see that iron core is available. Okay, now in normal condition you know that in normal condition the phasors current of IA, IB, IC must be 0. Okay, in normal healthy condition always phasor current, three-phase phasor current have addition 0. Okay, so net flux flowing through this coil will become 0. Why? Because IA, IB, IC are 0, then net flux flow from this core must be 0, and that's why overcurrent relay will not detect any current. If fault occur, let's say we will take that the fault occur on C phase, then the IA, IB, IC addition will not become 0. If the current will not become 0, then net flux produced in this core will also not become 0. If net flux will not become 0, then that flux will induce the EMF and current in this coil. Then if current is available in this coil, then it will detect by overcurrent relay and it will operate. Okay, so this is the strategy used for earth leakage protection of 3-phase load. Okay, now in next lecture we will study the same percentage differential protection used for transformer winding. Okay.